What's up guys, today we will be unboxing my brand new glorious Model D so yeah, let's get started. Now if you look at the screen, yeah, I'm playing on an Anarchy server or whatever. Yeah, okay, so let's do this unboxing. So let's see. Come on. Okay, so hold up, guys. I think I got the tape. Oh wait, there's tape here as well. Alright, now we'll open it. Alright, guys, it's coming out, and there it is. The glorious Model D. You know, its gorgeousness. And yeah, so now I'll make another video on this mouse of me playing Hypixel on it and other games. So yeah, I'll catch you guys later. Bye.